Hi, my name is Jens. I'm one of the founders and the CEO of AIO Robotics. AIO Robotics stands for All-in-One Robotics, and we produced the world's first 3D copy machine. The name of the machine is called ZEUS.
The 3D printing process so far is still really complicated for the general public. We want to create a machine that's very easy to use and very approachable to everyone.
We came up with the idea, why don't we automate the entire process so you don't have to go into software programs and do all these complicated steps. So we built a lot of robots, we automated the entire process, how robots think and how a robot make decisions, and make it very, very simple to use. Just touch a button, be able to 3D print an object. We created the 3D scanning function, 3D printing function, but also 3D copying and 3D faxing functions.
In the market nowadays, you have to buy different machines, but with ZEUS, it's just everything is in one. And people don't really need to learn the skill of 3D software to create any object. They can just grab something they see in the environment and then put it in ZEUS and scan and produce a duplicate of it.
So people can just put an object in our machine, press the copy button, and within a few minutes you will have a plastic copy out of the physical object.
For example, for shoe designer in fashion industry, traditionally they have to really print out the object, send it and mail it to their clients. And now with the faxing function, you can just easily create a 3D model and fax it directly to the clients. Basically, they cut down the cost of shipment, also the most important, the time of the shipment.
Kai and me, we were both the founders of AIO Robotics. We started building robots together. We met in one of the robotics labs at the University of Southern California. Deborah also worked in the robotics lab, and so she actually joined the team at the beginning of this year as well. We all came up with this idea, we need to simplify 3D printing. So in 2013, we finished the prototype before we went on Kickstarter. Now we are at the end of our Kickstarter campaign, about to put this prototype into a manufacturing device. Kickstarter is a perfect platform to actually test this, because people who back us on Kickstarter will be actual customers in the future, because they actually paid for it and they actually told us their direct use case.
After the Kickstarter, we plan to, of course, have the machine really polished and complete and upgrade it to a very nice finalized mass market version. You can see from daily life, people will have the machine in their office, in their home, even schools.
And then for a long-term goal, we want to test different markets. What about copy stores that offer 3D printing service with the ZEUS, or what about dentists? And we have one vision. It's really making 3D printing technology as easy as 2D printing technology. We want to really create a community of people who are sharing objects.